Hey there! So, today we're diving into a common issue that macOS and OMA users might encounter: the frustrating problem of Time Machine couldn't verify your backups. It could be really annoying when Time Machine starts acting out, right? Let's roll up our sleeves and tackle this issue head on. Now, let's talk about the solution to our Time Machine backup verification woes. The key here is to stay updated with the latest changes in Time Machine internals. With the shift to APFS formatted disks and the use of snapshots for reliability, the game has changed. Plus, when dealing with network-attached drives like a Synology and AS, extra caution is needed. And when it comes to logging, Time Machine writes to the unified log, making it a bit of a challenge to sift through. Howard Oakley's Time Machine mechanic can be a lifesaver in this process. In summary, navigating through Time Machine errors requires keeping up with the latest tech changes and understanding how Time Machine operates under the hood. Remember, troubleshooting Time Machine can be a bit of a maze, but with the right tools and knowledge, you can definitely crack the code. Alright folks, thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like the video, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, happy troubleshooting!